I love you so much.
Hi guys, so good evening and welcome back to my magical world. Ayan, ng galaw-galaw. It's Tuesday, August 26, 2025 and it's 11:31 in the evening. So, masakit ang aking, I have sore throat guys and I'm not really feeling okay. So, let's just have a break. I think yung best thing that you can do while watching me right now is to take a deep breath. I know you've been caught up with a lot of things in life, duties, responsibilities, mundane routine, boring, the things we do every day. So, take a break muna tayo. So, ang dami kasing dami palang issue lately. And more, controversy, distractions sa social media and all the other things which is wala namang mga kwenta. So, iwasan lang natin mag-focus sa mga ganun but kasi we are in the in the age of the trying times, and hindi lang naman Philippines is not the only country which is, suffering from all of these things because of, too much greed of humans or people who are have demonic attachments. Kasi iba na alam mo, iba na yung galawan nila these days. Malala na guys. So, I just want to, say to everyone, especially my viewers, to always, when you are going out, always always pray for your own protection. Okay? So, from the heaven, from God. Kasi, you don't know who are you going to meet on a daily basis. Like, a lot of people are being sent to us, sometimes to test us, and all the other things. So, sana lahat ng viewers ko, wherever you are in the world, if you're watching me, you have to really take good care of yourself. Okay? Kung wala sa inyong nag-aalaga, hindi ka naman nag-iisa, guys. So, it's your responsibility to take care of yourself. Hindi mo siya dapat inaasa kung kanino man. Well, if there is someone or a group of people or a circle of friends which are taking really care of you, then good for you. Pero hindi naman sila laging nandyan, diba? That's why that's why it's also your job and your responsibility to take care of yourself. And ask always for protection from whoever you believe in. Huwag naman kay huwag naman sa masama guys. So ayan, today is a good day overall. Lang siya, hindi naman super but I'm just grateful for those people who are helping me in my transition phase. And yun lang, still productive yung day ko. The past few days are really productive day. And I'm also here with you, checking up on you. Kaya nga guys, it's mag-subscribe na kayo sa akin kasi at least ako, feeling ko mas active ba ako if ever you have jowa or if you have a girlfriend or boyfriend. I'm more active than them. Because I'm here with my channel. I'm here with you guys. Every day. Okay? Kasi, since hindi ba ako yung extremely busy. Well, I'm busy, but hindi pa siya yung the type that, taking a lot of time from me. So, ngayon, I'm really savoring the time kasi eventually, kapag nag-start na naman yung other work or things that I have to do, busy na naman. So, thank you guys for listening. Thank you for helping me make this world a better place for all of us and for the future generation. Ito na muna guys. I'll see you again next para sa ating reading sesh. Okay?
Thank you.